Welcome to one of Germany's most advanced automobile manufacturing facilities, where the new Mercedes C-Class. Every Mercedes C-Class starts with premium automotive-grade steel, delivered in massive coils weighing several tons. Automated feeding equipment precisely controls the steel before it enters the stamping department. Every production cycle is carefully monitored to guarantee consistent quality before the first body panels are formed. Thousands of tons of pressure instantly shape the steel into highly accurate automotive components. Industrial robots handle every panel with exceptional precision, preventing damage while maintaining production speed.
Each component passes through multiple forming stages until every curve and structural detail meets Mercedes engineering standards.
Every stamped component is inspected to ensure flawless dimensions before entering the body shop. An intelligent conveyor system automatically delivers every component to the next production stage without interruption. Inside the body shop, hundreds of synchronized robots begin assembling the steel structure that will become the Mercedes-Benz C-Class.
Production begins with the vehicle's floor structure. Automated positioning systems secure every component with millimeter-level precision before assembly starts. The side frames are installed automatically, forming the foundation of the passenger compartment while maintaining perfect dimensional accuracy.
The roof panel completes the vehicle's primary body shell, preparing it for permanent robotic joining.
Hundreds of robotic spot welds permanently bond the body panels together, creating a rigid and exceptionally strong safety structure.
Critical reinforcement components are welded into place to improve structural strength, crash protection, and overall body rigidity.
Advanced laser scanners inspect thousands of measurement points to verify the body meets Mercedes-Benz manufacturing tolerances. Small finishing operations ensure every visible surface is perfectly prepared before paint application. Before painting, every body shell is thoroughly cleaned to eliminate contaminants that could affect the final finish.
The body now enters one of the cleanest areas in the factory, where advanced paint technology creates the vehicle's premium exterior finish. Precision robotic sprayers apply a flawless metallic blue finish with perfectly controlled thickness, ensuring the signature Mercedes-Benz quality. After the metallic blue base coat, a high-gloss clear coat is applied to protect the finish while enhancing depth, shine, and long-term durability. Inside the curing oven, carefully controlled temperatures permanently harden the paint, creating the premium finish expected from every Mercedes-Benz. Every painted body undergoes a meticulous visual inspection to guarantee a perfectly uniform metallic blue finish. The painted doors are prepared separately before being accurately aligned with the completed body shell. Robotic assistance ensures every door is installed with exceptional precision, delivering the perfect panel gaps associated with Mercedes craftsmanship. The hood and trunk lid are installed with careful adjustments to achieve perfectly even body lines across the entire vehicle. High-strength structural adhesive permanently bonds the windshield while contributing to overall body rigidity and passenger safety.
The rear glass is installed using the same precision process, completing the vehicle's sealed passenger compartment.
Premium sound insulation materials are installed throughout the cabin to deliver the quiet driving experience expected from a luxury sedan.
The vehicle's electrical nervous system is installed next, connecting every future electronic component with remarkable precision.
The complete dashboard module is assembled and inspected before being installed into the vehicle, reducing production time while maintaining exceptional quality. The dashboard is installed as a complete module, ensuring precise alignment with the vehicle's electronic and structural systems.
The steering column is mounted and connected to both the steering system and the vehicle's electronic control network.
Luxury front seats are securely installed and electronically connected before undergoing functional testing later in production.
The rear seating system completes the passenger compartment, combining comfort with structural safety.
Each interior door panel is fitted with integrated controls and premium trim before final alignment checks are completed.
The roof headliner is installed with great care to achieve a seamless finish throughout the passenger cabin.
Advanced driver assistance components are mounted behind the windshield to support modern safety and convenience features.
While the body moves along the main assembly line, the complete powertrain is prepared for one of the most important stages of production.
In the marriage station, the painted body is carefully joined with the engine, transmission, suspension, and chassis, transforming separate. After the body and chassis are united, every structural connection is tightened with digitally monitored torque tools to ensure maximum safety and reliability. The rear suspension is carefully inspected to ensure every component is correctly installed and securely fastened before final assembly continues.
The exhaust system is installed with precise alignment to guarantee proper performance, durability, and noise control.
The fuel system is carefully integrated into the chassis, with every connection inspected before the vehicle advances to the next station.
Critical hydraulic and cooling systems are connected with great precision to ensure safe and reliable vehicle operation.
The premium alloy wheels are mounted using automated equipment, while every wheel bolt is tightened to an exact factory specification. For the first time in production, the Mercedes C-Class stands on its own wheels, marking an important milestone in the assembly process.
Specialized filling equipment automatically supplies every essential operating fluid with exceptional precision.
With electrical power connected, the vehicle's digital systems come to life for the first time during production. Before leaving the assembly line, advanced diagnostic systems verify that every electronic control unit is functioning exactly as designed. The precision-built LED headlamps are carefully installed and electronically connected to ensure flawless illumination and advanced lighting performance. The rear lighting system is mounted with the same level of precision, completing the vehicle's signature lighting design. The iconic front grille and Mercedes star complete the vehicle's unmistakable identity. The front bumper assembly is installed as a complete module, integrating safety sensors and aerodynamic components in a single operation. The rear bumper is fitted and connected, completing the vehicle's exterior body assembly. Every opening panel is inspected to ensure consistent body gaps and smooth operation that meet Mercedes-Benz quality standards.
Computerized alignment equipment precisely adjusts the suspension geometry for optimal handling, stability, and tire performance.
Every vehicle undergoes a rigorous water tightness test to ensure the cabin remains completely sealed under extreme weather conditions. A dynamic roller test verifies the performance of the powertrain, braking system, and onboard electronics before the vehicle is approved for final inspection.
Panel gaps are perfect. Confirmed. Finalizing the report now.
With assembly complete, the Mercedes-Benz C-Class comes to life as its engine starts for the very first time inside the factory.
Every electrical and comfort feature is tested individually to ensure the vehicle performs exactly as designed.
Before delivery, every vehicle completes a controlled factory road test to verify its real-world performance.
Professional test drivers evaluate steering precision, ride comfort, braking performance, and overall driving dynamics before final approval.
One final inspection confirms the flawless finish and exceptional craftsmanship that define every Mercedes-Benz.
Protective coverings are applied to preserve the vehicle's pristine condition during shipping.
From Germany, these luxury sedans begin their journey to customers across Europe, Asia, the Middle East, and many other countries.
Thank you for watching this complete Mercedes-Benz C-Class manufacturing journey. If you enjoyed this factory tour, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.